Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, this is a special collaboration. It's an open collab and it's called Shine Pink. And that's being hosted by Crafty Lenny, and the co-hostesses are Decorating Ant's Place, Sandy Lumber Mill DIY, and this is in honor of Gloria and all the beautiful warriors. So in this video today, I decided to make a ribbon wreath with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to decorate this with the pink burlap. We're going to be using the twine. And I was very fortunate to find this ribbon wreath form because they're not always available at the Dollar Tree. And then the floral. So basically everything that I am using did come from the Dollar Tree. It did not come from anywhere else. So let's jump into this video so you can see how beautiful this wreath came out in honor of Gloria. So what you see me doing here first is I'm making some rustic bows using that twine, and I am going to be embellishing with a little gem in the center of those. We're going to make a couple of those, and that's what you see me doing here right now. So this is what the bow looks like after we get done with it. It's absolutely beautiful. Then we embellish it there in the center with a loose gem, and I love it. Now what we'll be doing is going around that ribbon form with the burlap ribbon. So we're almost done here wrapping this around. We're just doing the finishing touch on that, and then we're going to move on to that twine around the middle of that ribbon. Okay, so we're pretty much done wrapping that twine around the middle of that ribbon. I think that looks really nice. It gives it a rustic touch. Now we're going to move on to the florals and make a swag. Usually what I do when I'm making a swag is I'll cut the florals leaving a long stem, and I'll put them facing one direction and then the other direction, join the center together and then tie. Then you can go ahead after you tie it and glue it down, you can maneuver the flowers to your liking, and that's what I'm doing here. Okay, so after we glued down the swag, adjusted the flowers, we went ahead and we added some loose twine at the bottom of those flowers, and I think we're almost done here. So here I am trying to figure out where I'm gonna place those twine flowers. They came out so pretty, didn't they? So that's what I'm doing here, and then we'll get ready for the reveal. So I do want to thank the host, Crafty Lenny, and the co-hostesses, Decorating Ant's Place and Sandy Lumber Mill DIY, for hosting this collaboration in honor of Gloria. It was my honor to join into this collab. And if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.